I've rounded up the best budget action cameras for capturing every frame of your adventures. Let's look over them. Number 1. Most popular. GoPro Hero 7 White Waterproof Action Camera. Yes, really, you can get a GoPro on a budget. The award-winning GoPro White shoots in 1080p HD, has its own touchscreen, and does a solid job stabilizing footage for its category. It's a small size and weighs only 4.2 ounces, which makes it simple to carry and film with, and its capabilities are plentiful for such a little unit. Photos are shot in 10MP with both vertical and horizontal filming available, which is ideal for social media. Best of all, this tough camera is totally waterproof down to 10 meters. Number 2. AKASO V50X Native 4K 30fps Wi-Fi Action Camera. While it may look remarkably similar to aging GoPro models, AKASO's V50X camera is bang up to date. Top billing goes to its ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, which is mightily impressive for a camera costing less than $100/$100, but its list of well-appointed features doesn't end there. While you don't get the front-facing camera included in the slightly pricier AKASO Brave 7 LE, the V50X can take 12MP stills, has inbuilt image stabilization software, and comes with an adjustable wide-angle lens. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia Mini 4K Action and Video Camera. The Xiaomi Action Camera could earn its place on this list for the stylish design alone, but thankfully there's plenty happening under the hood to justify its inclusion in our best cheap action camera buyer's guide. The 7-glass lens and Sony IMX317 sensor work in perfect harmony, whether you're shooting under blue skies or gray clouds. Footage is electronically stabilized across 6 axes of movement, and 3D noise reduction technology helps smooth out your shots. Settings can be tweaked on the 2.4-inch touchscreen. Number 4. Kaiser Baas X4 54K Action Camera. The Kaiser's 4K/30fps video and 14MP photos do a nice job of bringing out vivid colors in your shots. It's lightweight and easy enough to maneuver. A 2-inch touchscreen lets you select effects like slow motion and noise reduction, with built-in stabilization to cut down on wobbles and shakes. Plus, it also has burst mode and a 160-degree field of view. There's a waterproof casing, which makes it functional up to 40 meters, by far the deepest of the group. Number 5. Crosstour CT9900 Action Camera. There's not many cameras around costing less than £100 that can boast fully-fledged 4K video at 60 frames per second, never mind at the Crosstour CT9900's current sub-£80 price bracket. But as well as its mightily impressive video resolution, the camera also has inbuilt image stabilization, a 2-inch rear touchscreen, is waterproof to 40 meters and can take 20MP stills. As well as the camera, waterproof housing and a wide range of mounts, the CT9900 standard package pretty much includes every accessory you'll ever need, with 2 removable batteries. Number 6. AKASO Brave 7 LE 4K 30fps 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. The standout feature on this AKASO, the dual screens. For such a small device, this is an awesome option to have. The AKASO shoots in 4K video at 30 frames per second and can take 20MP photos. Image stabilization here is powered by a gimbal-like steadying effect, which helps significantly with fast-moving footage or a subject in motion. At 1.52 pounds, it's the heaviest here, but has abilities that most others don't, including voice control and a remote. When you're all done shooting, this easily connects to a TV or PC via HDMI or Wi-Fi. Number 7. Olfi 1.5 Waterproof 4K Black Edition Action Camera. This second-generation Olfi 1.5 Black gives you a big, bulging bag of bangs for a relatively small number of bucks. It can shoot in 4K, can take 15-megapixel photos, is waterproof to 30 meters, can record slow motion at 120 frames per second, and has a wealth of other features you'd expect to find on a camera costing a whole lot more. The package also includes a carry case, an array of mounts and accessories, an ultrafast 64GB microSD memory card, and even free accidental damage cover. Number 8. Wi-Fi 4K Action and Sports Camera. Wi-Fi's sleek camera records in 4K/30 fps at up to 100 megabits per second, and has a 7-layered glass lens, along with a Sony IMX377 image sensor inside, which works well even in low light. There's a built-in gyroscope that does a superb job of stabilizing images, even when resolution drops below 4K. Slow-motion footage is also noteworthy, as the Wi-Fi can capture 720p 240 frames per second when you want to smoothly slow things down. The 2.19-inch touchscreen is made with Gorilla Glass, adding to the camera's overall durability. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.